Hey everybody, it's Sherry. I have an idea that I would absolutely love if everybody on my channel would participate in this, or just a few. It's up to you guys. We'll figure out how many we'll put in a group. Um, Depending on how many people would like to sign up for this, I would love to do a memory deck swap. Um, and your memory decks can just be simple and easy. You don't want to put too much on it because, you know, when you put them in those rollers, they can get pretty stacked up and tight. So you just kind of want to do it just kind of simple, but in your style. Um, this is just an example I made. Sorry if that didn't focus very well at first, you guys. I just cut out a memory decks card. It's very thick. It's got 3 sheets of, what is it, 110-pound cardstock, and then it's got pattern paper on the front and the back. And I just, Rosie Posies made this in the swap that I just received from her, this little flower or lace, whatever you want to call it, with the beautiful butterfly center. And then I put a sentiment across, and I just put a puppy sticker, and the paper that I used was Prima Love Story paper. I have a bunch of that I'm trying to use up. So, and then I just put some ribbon across the top and the edges. It was just very, very simple, like I said. And then I didn't put anything on the back of mine because I didn't want to give my information to just anybody on YouTube. But I will tell you what I would like on the back of your Memory Decks card. Of course, your name, your YouTube information, Instagram, Facebook, whatever you want to put on there. I would like your birth date, your style or favorite style, and an address, or maybe if you don't want to give your address out, a email address would be great on the back of there too. So if somebody wanted to send you happy mail or something like that, they could get a hold of you and send it that way. It's up to you, however you'd like to put on there, but those are the things that I would like to see on the back of your Memory Decks card. Again, it just needs to be really, really simple. This is like about a 4x4 with the topper part on it right here. Maybe just a little bit smaller than that is what it is. Of course, my favorite style is shabby chic. So depending on how many people that we have sign up for this swap, then we'll figure out the groups and stuff from there. Of course, it's not going to be an expensive swap because I want you to also make a little box, a little purse, or something like that as well that your Memory Decks card can fit in. And I also would like you to do between a $2 and a $5 gift, because I know that things are getting expensive now, but it doesn't have to be anything extravagant. So if you guys would like to participate in this swap, please let me know. You could sign up on this video. I will be watching it for people who would like to sign up. There's something else that I just wanted to say. I noticed the other day that I'm over 100 subscribers, and I need to thank everybody. This is like very surprising to me. I enjoy crafting. Everybody has their own twists and turns that they put on it, so I don't believe there's any two things that are ever alike unless somebody copies somebody else's stuff, which I don't think anybody does on here. And I also want to say thank you very much to my new subscribers that have now subscribed to my channel. I think when we get to 500 subscribers, we might do a giveaway or something. We'll see when that happens. But as for now, I just wanted to say thank you for everybody's participation in my channel and subscribing. If you could subscribe, like, dislike, I don't care, leave comments, whatever you would like to do on there, as long as the comments are constructive and positive. on my channel. That's kind of stuff that I would like to see on my channel. Of course, my favorite style is shabby chic, but I craft in many, many different things. I crochet, I sew, I do paper crafts, I scrapbook, I make books, TNs, just all kinds of different things. So, you know, I have lots of other videos. If you just want to check out some of my work, you could do that too. Again, everybody, thank you so much, and I'm going to say have a good evening for now. My bird is starting to get noisy, and I got to go cook dinner for my family. Okay, everybody, have a great evening, and I will be talking to you soon.